There we are. Greetings, everybody, and welcome back. You know me already. My name's Richard Erman, and you are watching Victory Assured, where tonight we are doing something different. Again, of course, I apologize. Now, you might remember that I'm usually one for the more obscure things to do, and, well, that's true tonight as well. You see, tonight I'm going not for a game right now, we might play something later on, but right now I'm going to work on something, and I think you'll might enjoy this because we're going to listen to nice music, of course, again, but in either case, let's go with it, right? I'm working on a little C# project because I'm currently training to be a programmer, software engineer, so to speak, and therefore I need the training. And if you'll join me, I'm sure we'll have a nice enough time, right? Okay, let's get to it then. So, this is what we're going to be looking at. That's the music we're listening to for our background right now. So, not too loud. Might not be the best piece, of course, to listen to for tonight. Let's see here. Oh, this is right. This is very nice. I hope it's not too loud, really. In either case, right. What are we actually working on? Well, you know, this is funny because I've not worked with C# for about half a year now, and well, let's just say I might be a little bit rusty, which is weird because I was okay-ish at first, and I think being rusty now is kind of weird, but then again, it's not the language I work mostly in. And the other thing is, I think because this is an older Visual Studio version, some things are very weird. Oh, DSX! Some of these songs might go quite weird, actually. In either case. Now, this is a little tool I'm currently working on, which I'm planning to use, actually, for, well, a project for me and my friends, basically, which we need for a convention, which we are actually working not on, but which we are doing, organizing every so and so few months. And one of the things actually that's important about this is that there are a few facts we actually need to put down somewhere, and I do hope to help out with this little application. So this is supposed to be a map later on, but right now it's actually nothing. It was bigger. This should be a data grid view. Yeah, data grid. Actually, a DG view, a data grid view might not be the best choice here. Music's kinda loudish. Down. Yeah, okay, this should be better. Maybe I should just speak up a bit. How about that? Giant programmer! Aye? Right, let's not interpret too much about it. This. We have buttons which we can use, which for one reason or another I've called. Oh, like. You know, I need to reacquaint myself. It's been some time since I last worked there. Right, I really don't need this right now. So starting time, ending time. Oh, actually, I don't really need this. So we have this. We can even start the program right now, and it'll give us something. Or not. What? Oh, right. Right. Okay. Yeah, sure. Little mistake there. Sorry. So. Wow. Okay, so which rows do I not need? Yeah, we don't actually need that. Where did I add that? Oh, what did I do? Okay, so let's talk about what the basic plan here is. The basic idea is that we have this tool, as you can see up there. You have an array here, which is basically like a list of, let's say, positions. And you can select one of these positions, and then you add stuff about that position here. Like, we have a number of tables at our convention, which you can basically get or borrow. And the thing is that this tells you what's being played on those tables and when it starts, which is also interesting to see. Also, the max date is 9,998. I never knew that. Now, the important thing about this is right now the value is put as the full date. Why is that? Good. There are a few things I actually need to change about this. For starters, I don't think I actually want to have a data grid. Why would I use it? That's so weird. Like, now. Okay, we don't need this for now. Please disable this. I think this is Metal Gear Solid 2. Oh. Oh wait, this is. Oh, it is Metal Gear 2. Interesting. Wow, that brings me back. I mean, I wasn't alive back when this came out first, but I sure as hell did play it a few years ago. It was interesting. Not really as good as I hoped it would be, but still interesting. Any way I can... look like it. Yikes. Alright, okay, so let's do it. You know, maybe let's listen to something relaxing.
Losers always whine about their best. Winners go home and fuck the prom queen.
Yeah, this is a little bit more relaxing. I think this might be just fine. Wait, why is there no toolbox? Give me toolbox. Oh, wait, damn it. Hide. Wait, where's toolbox? Oh, frack. Into dock. Okay, so. Oh no, there it is, okay. So I want a list view here. Yep. Get to the side. Like. Okay. Give me a detail. You know what? Let's make it 400. Horizontal alignment, which is center is okay. And of course we need to close it, so the compiler later on knows that it exists and is supposed to be ending. Kind of weird in a way, but then again, well. So I need 1, 2. Actually, this could be. Oh, this could be lv list dot. Now this actually could change. Wait, what is there? Yeah, there's an actual width. No, that's not what. Right, let's see. So I need like this. No. Greetings everybody and welcome back. You know me already, I'm Richard and you are watching Victory Assured. Well. Apparently, I accidentally stopped the stream. And none of you guys told me. I am deeply disappointed. Sorry. Well, myself mostly, but still. Could have told me. Next time. Right. Okay, let's get on with it. Right. Here we are. Everything's going a-okay now. Still don't know why. Oh wait, don't tell me he's randomly crashing. What is going on here? Don't know why he's doing it like that. That's entirely creepy. Okay, so we have a list view here.
I know you regret it, love. You told me so many. I know you but I still.
Let's see here.
I know you but I still. I know you regret it, love. You told me so many but I still.
Why would I need to set it to details when I've already set the view to detail? Please don't tell me I have to do this on. Okay. No. But that would be even weirder. Okay. Still strange, but so it's not bad. What else might it be? Oh, right. Is it E? S? Col. Oh, there's only columns, not column header. There are always columns. It's not bad either, so don't be that. Strange. Okay, not even my information group has some. Right, let's see. Hello Founder X and welcome back. Of course all games are ones and zeros. Not necessarily in that order, of course. Let's see. You're mad, man. Right. It actually is, though funnily enough, not in this language. I'm in a way relearning C#. I did work with Java for some time, and at work we're currently using Visual Basic Net, which works out quite well because it's also an object-oriented language. Basically, it's also a programming language you can use. It's a little bit more basic, basically. And C# is basically Microsoft Java, so it's a higher language. It's not like C or C++, you know, the stuff you use for Unity and something like that. But it's okay. And it's weird because some things are not working out in the way that I'd imagine they work out, usually. But that's always the problem, isn't it? Now let's see if we can't make this actually. Right, why is it not showing me the columns? We have this, and columns in this. I'm actually trying to create a simple little management program, which is allowing you to add stuff to this list down here. And I'm currently trying to find out why it's not adding the columns to this list on the side, which is kind of weird. There's nothing, because all of this is end at the start. It's because me and a few of my friends, we are organizing a convention every half or so year. And for some time now it has come to our attention that it's become kind of hard to, you know, keep an overview. And we want to make sure that we have a better overview, something where we don't have to sort out any handwriting or stuff like that. Basically just have this application and the guys on the front desk can then just type it in, put in the numbers, and done. Of course, if you can't write on a computer, then, well, we're basically doomed, but, well, there are either way, so that sort of thing. It's Is it just me, or is this a really big blank space up here? Here, can we have a list you? Alright, up. We're calling the list. Just like the last. So, in theory at least, nothing important changed. Yeah, still LD list and everything fine. Let's see if it crashes again. No, but still doesn't show any columns. Is it me or weird? Maybe there's some give LD list. Okay. Oh, is he maybe still drawing the other thing? This. Would be weird. I did actually restart this from an earlier date, which was a very, very weird way to do this. But then again, I was hoping to actually use what I worked on before. Apparently didn't work out so well. Because there are some problems, might also be of course on me. Which problems are? I do know that I can get the items I need if I just use these. Is that the main problem? Cannot just add a column, I need a column header here.
Hey Nina,
Kind of weird because it doesn't do it like that here.
you mind if I play something for you?
It doesn't do it like here at all.
No, not at all.
Is he pre-written? No. Makes no sense. Ah, program. Why you so?
Hey.
Oh, interesting. So I do need column headers. If your list view control does not have any column headers specified, you set the priority when the list view control will not display any item. Child will if kidding me. How do I add a list view header? Also, my example doesn't do it like that, which is kind of interesting. Also very weird. Okay, basic job. Oh, I need to construct them actually. Oh, Maker, are you kidding me? Really? Yeah, this is my lo-fi jazz mix basically. Always nice to listen to. Started the evening off with a little bit stronger, but this is really fine. So, whole header T. Like column header. Nope. Oh, we can basically do like that. What? Oh, come on, you do know that it's a variable. I hate you so much. Right, so need one for table, one for start, or for start time, and one for games. Oh, we can actually go SG. That's good. SG. Games. Yes, sir. So let's see. Because I'm a lazy person, not saying the other word, right like this, and all this now. Tisch, which is German for table. So get that as well.
You know, niggas say they get to the money. They can do this, they can do that. Well, shit, nigga, I seen a J go from crazy $100 million in a week, nigga.
If anyone asks, I blame Twitch. Are you kidding me? So, why exactly? Oh, weird. For some reason he's put me offline. Kinda weird. Really weird if you ask me. Try this again. Right. Where was I? Oh, okay. Yes. You know what? Let's just go like this. I don't care right now. It's fine. All going to be fine. Yeah. Let's give me this one. Yes. This is going to be hell for me, of course, later on when I'm trying to remake all of this and all the videos together, but, well, that's just life. It's the third time tonight I'm starting streaming, which is clearly weird. So, also he has apparently decided not to capture the window. And he's not cropping it correctly. Tonight's just full of life's interesting and bizarre mysteries. There we are. Okay. So, the application. Now, what we're going to do. Why is the application so weird? Why is it white box in the background? Right? Strange. Right, let's see. Tell me your code. Whole lot of stuff, all of it on a board. Right. Really? Okay. Wait. Need to remember. Oh, right. Ask for initializing. Really, I can't remember the main form. Are you kidding me? Do you know how long it's been? Let's see here. Just a moment. Okay. The world needs you. Yeah, sure. We'll get to it, don't worry. Okay. Let's go with away. I present to you a label. This is a label of text. Does nothing except being text. Right now. I'm going to claim it is this size, so it's visible. We're calling this one right now label text. Because, you know, nothing confuses people more than just something really, really stupid. Always private. Load. On handles. It should. Really? Not what I was looking for, guys. Yep. Okay. Handles. Was it my base load? Form. Oh right, he does this differently, doesn't he? If it must have a what? Written as a function, which is kind of stupid. One. No. So hopefully this works. I give no guarantees. It doesn't. Ah, great. Didn't I have a form load seconds ago? Right. It's no. Are you kidding me? It's a system event arcs, but. Be doing this on. I think I'm going to be cross in a second. I think Unity is Unity C# actually? I thought it was C++ actually, but it might be partly C#. I mean, Unity was the Microsoft one, isn't it? Oh yeah, sure, if you can make game assets, you're basically set for life because people are buying those left and right. But I think that's kind of beside the point. The main problem actually would be the fact that, well, you are basically using mostly asset flips and other things like that to get people to give you money for ill-gotten goods. But yeah, sure, if you're a talented artist, especially if you're into textures and music and stuff like that, go hog wild. You can make a whole lot of money for that one. You know what? I think I'll need to relearn this actually. Let's try it a different way, because I do know that there exists. Which I find kinda sad, but then again... If I remember correctly, the game Aurora was written into the engine, so if you can call it an engine. Yep. Problem. Alright. Well, why are you waiting? Not load. Let's see. Box to show. See, now this goes much smoother in my hand. Oh, yellow. Ta-da! Are you You can't see it! I think I'm going to murder something in a second here. Give me a second, please. Okay. There you are. I feel dirty now. Hope you're happy. Okay. See now. Don't actually want to do it. I don't declare any forms, don't import anything right now. So let's go basic. Need all of the space. And I need a number of control buttons. I need at least 2 of them. Let's make it 3. Also, I need. Oh, let's make it this one. Certainly don't need this one. Okay. This view. Now next to this do we have the label. We're going to copy it. Now, the most important thing is, you have to understand, I'm right now doing this for myself. It might look sloppy. That's okay. I'm doing this for myself. I am not doing this for a customer. I would clean this up a whole lot if I'd be doing this for a customer. But still, right, where was it? I need Xbox. Of course, we'll need to enter stuff in there. Okay, we'll call the list view again LV list. Let's hope that it works out this time. Right. This one will be button add, because this will be the button we use to add a game to a table, therefore to a position. Yeah, that's. We'll call you placeholder. Or called button 2. Because I have no idea what I'm actually supposed to do with that one. And we'll call this one button XML. Because that's the one we're going to use for the XML output later on. In here. Okay. So this is where you'll enter the table. Or oh no, I have a better idea. We are going to use a selection. Yeah. Number box. And we call this CB tables, because that's where our table list is going to be. We'll start with table 1. Or no, I don't need to push that one. Or 1. Ah, nice. Okay. I have no idea what we're actually going to use the other labels right now, but we'll see them. What was label text? Label table. Label table. Well, well, well. Already the silliness has begun. I have no idea actually what we're going to use the rest for, but we'll see. Alright, idiot me. Let's see, we call this label system, because of the game system you'll be playing for that one. Yeah, let's go label. Delay. Basically, and that's where we'll actually use our text box, because you'll have to enter shit there. Oop. Far too long, of course, but that's beside the point. Now, okay. Now, onto the code. That sounds even weirder. Thanks. Right. Ah, yes. Good. One moment when all comes together, or at least it should. Everything works out fine. Right. The label list. Column. Interesting. Columns. Add. Now this should allow me to add table. Next. He went offline again. Curse you, OBS! But I think that was my own stupidity. Yeah, tonight's really a comedy of errors. Let's continue this one. 1, 2, and 3. Now, as I said before, not gonna lie, it's getting silly. It's getting really, really silly. Like fucking hell, it's getting silly. Okay. For some reason, he's constantly stopping the stream, which I find really weird, so I apologize for that. Okay. Daytime picker now. You mean that there's a glitching integer in the matrix? Yeah, sure, I can believe that. We're calling this DTP the time. No, I think there should be some sort of setting where I can tell him to ask me if I want to. Oh, don't stop them now. But he's even asking confirmation. When am I confirming that? The hell? Okay. Right. So change the format for the format. Only time. Yay! Only time will tell. Don't time go. Call it 18 o'clock. Basically 6 PM. 6 PM is fine. It's the time the convention usually starts, so this should be more than. And since it's also a choosable place and or placing basically. Now let's see, we have here tables. Yeah, for that one in here. Do I need to use a string array? Those might be the useful one actually. Array and then false. Because it's an array, I need to write it like this. Okay, let's go with 1, 2. So I do know that we already have about 40 of these, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 30, 40. Okay. No problem. Alright. Looks off. Okay, it's not following the stream, so we work out. 3, 3, 0, 11, 21. Okay. Um, this nothing. Oh right, because he needs to have it like this. So this needs to be 40 units. Can he not do that? Oh right, he doesn't. Not using it like that. Okay, so this works out. So
Right down
so I like 0. 40. Tissue. So there'll be an index. Or we want the position I'm currently in, guys. Don't know what where does, but it sounds funny. But alright, I can just shape on it. So yeah, that should actually fill up the entire array with numbers. Though I want to share string, so this needs to be 60 ring. Funnily enough. Ah. So next I want a message box. Show. And you'll show me tissue. Though in this case tissue 12. To string. String. Okay. Yeah, this is basically pointless, so this, but I'm doing this right now to showcase it. And also, I don't need to do it actually with this. I can just like next item. No, item. Item. Let's go with 0.add. Okay, oh right, let's go with that. See if this works out. Ta-da! So yeah, what have I done here right now? Well, something very fascinating. You see, I can now go and do basically this. This item. Or I can start. Can I index? Alright, let's go. A is I. That's integer. Oh wait, I can't index this, can I? So what I need to do is go in. Never did this. That's a new frame. Okay, just add. So he desperately needs list view item. Interestingly enough. Let's see. Yeah, that doesn't work because we don't have list view item. But I should just add. just use text equals position A.
You know something? Everybody is always waiting for everybody else to take a chance because they're so afraid.
This is actually kind of stupid. I just need because I still an integer work out just fine. Okay, he's added nothing. Oh, because he has no item. Sure, you can't add what you don't have. Crack me. So basically I need to do like this. I need to do all these items. Add position Y. Text equal I. No. Station I. Let's see if I'm correct with that. Ah, who's good? I'm good. Ah, nice. Ah, yes. The joy of modern programming. God, how silly. Right. Okay. One thing I just saw. It's gonna be taken out early. So, the strange thing is that this does exactly the same as this really long list I've written before, or I tried to write. But this is much better. Why? Because this is actually more simple. This is on a very basic level the idea that are you dumb? You don't need to type all of this stuff out. And I almost was about to do that because I didn't remember at the time, but yeah, sure, I need to write like this. Okay, so beside the point really. The only important thing right now is that yeah, this is good. This is really good. This is working out fine and we are doing good with it. So basically right now it looks like this. Or it would look like this if this was like this. This. This would sound like right. We do with this now. That's the next thing. So we have a table here, which we now need to connect to the table up here. Also, we need to center all of these. What do I do? Should look into the designer.
Losers always whine about their best. Winners go home and fuck the prom queen.
Right. Alright, I can just change it like this. Basically, I could just go here. No, not add in this case. In this items dot. Not there. And in this case, I still know that it's the same position. And I want this one. Huh, 4. Yeah, no. Oh, back color's nice. Oh yeah, back color would actually be kind of useful. Is C. I don't know. Alright. Yeah, sure, color world I can use. I can work with that. If C equal 0, then C equal 1. No, then if, oh right. If, oh, I need an X. That's why. Dim X and X as integer equals 0. And therefore, if X is 0, X is 1, X equals gray. A light gray? Is there a light gray? Ooh, light gray. Else X equals 0, C equals color white. Now all goes well. Yeah, sure. No, come on, guys. Whoop. Ah, nice. Nice. Much better to look at. Much better. Much. So, as you can see, you can have a lot of fun with this. At times. But I was actually at the point where I wanted to put all the list items. What does that do? No. Don't want to have water style either. Oh, can I have list items? Item text? Like this? Yes. Whoop. Add up. E. Text. Ah. No, it's just a string function. Not really what I'm looking for. Text, no one. Huh? Okay. Oh, no. Yeah. Right. So let's see. I was going to say actually, this isn't the only thing to do. The other thing of B, but because we're using the very same array actually. Box table. Items. Oh, can I add a range here? Ooh, interesting. Let's see. Does that actually work? No, it actually doesn't. Okay. Oh, because it's in the form. That's okay. Like this, maybe? Yes. Excellent. Pro strats, my friend. Pro strats. Let's go with 30 is okay here. And this is 130. Still far too big, but good. Okay. Good. Okay, so So that's done by now. That's not the only thing we're actually working on. So what's the next one? Far too many things at the loading table actually, but well, that's beside the point. Still work out? Yep. Excellent. Okay, let's see here. I need a connector right now. Basically something that when you do X, it happens. Let's call it X, does nothing, is a private sub for now. That's not the point. The point is, when we put this button, something happens. When we put, basically, when we double click on the add button, something happens. And this something is kind of important. Put this down again. Okay. So, what do I want? Well, I want a current combo box table item, selected item. Selected item. What do you give me here? As an object. Okay, so I do know that dim tish as integer equal TV table selected items. Do I need to convert this? Yeah, oh, he is doing an implicit conversion already. Okay. So if cb tables dot select item not 0, else show
What did you see?
right, an insult. What have I just done here, right? Well, actually it's quite easy. When you push this button, he's checking this entry, and if there's nothing selected in that entry, he's giving us an error message. Ta-da! Okay. It's not really an error message in the way that we know that it's an error message. It's more like the OK button. Error. Okay. For some reason, the application is currently standing still. I don't know why. One or more errors occurred. You don't say? Do I have to be worried about anything? Which? Visual Studio? Anything?
and watch what happens to this purgatory.
There are a number of errors here tonight, happening at least tonight, but I'm kind of worried about whatever's going on here. It's so weird. God damn it.
사랑해요, 아저씨.
Not to be denigrated. What do we do with this? Well, the important thing is we actually get a table out. What do we do with that table? We use that table to actually select the same... Yes, basically the idea is this. This item, we have actually selected the number here. This item equals lv list dot selected dot items dot item at index th -1. Why is that important? Because this is a position we need to manipulate further on. So listen, I'm going for a quick break. I'm back in a minute. I need to think about something really quick. See you in a minute. Right, and back we are. Okay, let's continue this. Shall we? Yeah, sure. Okay. Ah, there it was. Nice. Good. Okay, strange number of numbers. Okay. Right. Now we've clicked the add button. So next we want this. This is our text box. We're calling this TB game. And nothing inserted right now. Now dim a as string equals TB game dot. Okay. Now this is basically only a placeholder because what we're doing with it now is entering this at a certain position. Aha. What position, you might say? Well, how nice of you to ask. You see, this is now going to be lv list dot.
Listen, man.
Oh yeah. Cool, but I didn't know actually. I only knew that they had these single pieces of music basically broken down to 15 or 30 minutes. I didn't know they had a live YouTube streaming channel. Might be kind of nice to listen to that one. Well, maybe more for private time. I mean, the other side would be that I'd be listening to some hard rock metal or something like that, so I suppose that really depends on personal taste in this case. Right, I was now at, as you might remember, you already know this, because these are the same position. Cool. So, now I want the sub-item. Sub-items. Do I have a position I can? Items. Which is also -1 equals no equals A, or as we can now say, doom metal. I suppose it might be kind of weird, though I have to admit, these past few days I was really flashed. You see, last Sunday I've seen Blade Runner, and the new Blade Runner was gorgeous, and the music was great. And the other thing I found this week was, well, yeah, I know, it was Macbeth, surprisingly, a Fassbender movie from the end of 2015, the beginning of 2016, and surprise, actually great. Oh, you have a horse farm? Yeah, that might be nice music for that. Oh, that sounds actually lovely, you know. Oh, yeah, well, I liked it, but is it good is a very different question. I liked it because it extended the first movie and it did well in that regard, but it was a very different movie. Is it good, on the other hand? It has its share of problems, but I suppose if you're into this sci-fi aesthetics, then it's dreamy as F. Surprisingly enough, it also has, I suppose, maybe the best and the weirdest sex scene or the erotica I've ever seen. It also has a really great companion AI character, which a really nice little love story in there, which was kind of handled much better than it was in the original movie. Mostly because there was no, 70s style jazz music where you knew, oh god, the sex scene's coming. No, it picks up about 30 years later, and there's some mystery about what happened in the meantime. You see, the important thing is this. At the end of Blade Runner, we knew that even with the final cut version, Dagger and Rachel, his girlfriend, basically escaped. Whether they succeeded in escaping, we have no idea. That's the only thing that's important. Even the movie version, which was the original cinematic version, where they had this voiceover stuff and they drew with a car, basically, they drove into the mountains somewhere far away. Well, we don't know how it continued. And with the final cut, we only had Gav, basically, in the background. It's too bad she won't live, but then again, who does? Which is a great quote, really. Usable for all points and purposes. But the point is that Gav is heard in the background while you can see them disappearing, because the movie ends as the door closes. Great scene, by the way. But the important thing about it is the ambiguity it leaves you with. And the way that you sit there and you just know that everything might happen. Simply have no idea. I mean, the consequences of Tyrell's death at that point aren't even close to be found out. Now, why might this be important? Well, because the movie actually does build a very formidable way to pick up such a strange story. I mean, and what story was it really? Blade Runner was a noir action movie basically, with some very weird scenes, very little in the way of detective work, and the follow-up expands on all of those aspects, develops the world, and the whole aesthetic is, well, it's a well-made evolution of the topic of sci-fi noir basically, from what they thought in the 80s what the future would look like, to what we nowadays can envision the future to actually look like. Gap, gray places where humanity lives in the sprawling masses among the teeming flesh of what once was its home. It's the ruins of a future envisioned by the past. It's a great image. The movie has great images. That's, if nothing else, awesome for screenshots. Story, it's okay. Nice twist in the middle. Some great acting actually. And Ryan Gosling, despite being, very Mr. Blanket face, I have no emotion because I'm a machine. I am stoic. Which kind of fits his role in this time. Basically this role basically, and works out nicely. I liked him in Drive already, and I like him in this as well. So, okay. I liked it, I suppose, because I wanted to like it. It's interesting because it's so different from, for example, my opinion on the new Star Trek. Which I want to like it. I really, really do. I try so hard. I just can't get over how stupid it all is. No, right now I'm only hoping that perchance the new Star Wars will be good. If that's okay, then that's okay. Well. Let's see if it actually works out as I envision it.
You get on their bad side and they'll destroy you. No one would miss me. That's not true. I would.
Right. Good. Let's see, I've now selected table 1. Let's enter Shadow 1. Okay. Okay, no. That's actually wrong. You can see he's entered it on... yes, I see now. See, because this is the next problem. This. Okay, I think it crashed. How could you be out of range at this point? Are you kidding me? What item are you actually currently trying to check? Oh? Yep. Okay. So, this selects the row we are in, which is this one. So the next part is the important part. This one. Actually correct. This wasn't it. You know? I'll have to think about this a little bit more, I suppose. in the second row. Right, so selected item is number index. We take that and the corresponding sub item. Wait, sub items as a text? Are you kidding me? Let me gander a small guess. Yes. Yes. So I go via items. These are all items in item index. Gives me the number, but I don't want the number. I want the item itself, which is at this point position table. So now I know that if I now go to text add, I am at position item row 0. You know what? Let me back this, please. What the hell are you? Shut up. Of course, it's only going to show me an object right now. Do it again. No. Why is this sub item? Yes, I want 1. And I want the sub items. What do I want? Explicitly sub item 0. Maybe like this? So yes. Okay, so sub item 0 is 1. That's to be expected, because that's exactly what I thought it would be. So I need index 1 actually, which is what I thought I would. Interesting. Apparently it claims that there is no sub-item 1. Which is weird. Maybe there's a sub-item? Give me a sub-item count. What? Why do you only have 1? Because there's nothing added. Are you kidding me? You cannot add because there's no, there are even more sub-items too. The funny thing about the computer is that the machine only does what you tell it to, not what you think it might do. It doesn't know any of your intentions, it only does what it always knew. Nothing more. Sub-item. And then add. Okay. Yes. Now this will lead to a funny problem. Or not. Wait, does it mean if I do the same thing again, adding the same place at the next level? Because by looping through it, you should actually open here. Okay. Yes. Okay. I get it. I don't like it, but I do get it. Right. Surprisingly enough, this isn't really that bad. Just very stupid. Also, we can now use it like this. Take this out. To make this text more unreadable. Alright. Same function. This one is date time. The text. Yep. I say that's progress. Nothing else. Yeah, but he doesn't override it. Yeah. Problem with add is that he only adds, doesn't, yeah. The add function only adds once, but furthermore, what we need to actually do this. Add position. And bizarrely enough, we need to have 2 of these. That, on the other hand, will do text. BTP. do it. Hey boss. Be good. Nice. Okay. But yeah, that's working out fine. The rest doesn't really do that much, but yeah, already a huge step forward. That's nice. Okay. Now, being relaxed and all's all nice and fine, but really it's not the be all end all, really, is it? I mean, I think I need to have something explode. Maybe something bloody? Ah, bloody is also not really that good. Let's go with something odd. I think something. Let's make me a very small git again. All saved. Down. I suppose that's what you call the last beat, eh? Yes, I know. Well... oh, right. Sometimes being angry at the game doesn't really help when you're at fault. Oh god. Also been about 6 months. No, I think... yeah, about 6 months since I played this last. Yep. That's... okay. Too slow, far too slow. Crack, 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 crack. Oh god, it's far too slow, far too slow. Crack, 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 crack. No, give me back. Damn it. It's been really long since I played this. Didn't even survive until my third finger. Oh, crap. So, if you ever imagined what hell might look like, hello and welcome. Of course, no one knows whether this actually is supposed to be hell, but then again, no one knows anything about this place. I mean, how could you really? Look at it! I mean, would you want to know anything about this place? If that's a sound that makes you hungry, then my friend, do I have a message for you. Crack, 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 crack. Where is it? Where? There it is. Die, you bastard! Damn it! Oh, I apologize. Now I read this correctly. Yeah, in a way, maybe. In another way, I don't know. But I can't really say. Right. It remains as enjoyable as it was the last time I played this, that's for sure. There it is. Damn it. It's okay. This? I always forget to re-enable the time, you know? The funniest thing. The hell? That was a new one. No! Damn it! Ah, this close to the next finger. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Hear it already? There it is. There it is. There it is. No, no, too long, too long, too long, too long, too long. Yes! Come to Papa! Damn it! Sorry. I was just so exhilarated to actually get back to third finger again. That's a weird one. On the other hand, it's deliberately not that. Funny that you should ask. Truth be told, I did not yet. I'm sorry. I have, however, it on my long boosted play for the next time I have, well, what basically amounts to vacation time at the end of a month. So I've actually decided, since I don't get to finish it otherwise, I suppose I'll finish it on stream. I do remember not saying that I didn't actually want to do that, but I have a feeling right nowadays I don't really finish that many games anymore if I don't play them on stream. Kind of saddening if you ask me, but then again, well, what can you do? I mean, you can do a lot of things, but not that. Too many, already far too many. Gods, too many! Damn it! Yikes! Whew. There it is. Don't think that I do not see you. Damn it. Sugi. There it is. Hmm? Damn it. YOLO! No. Yeah, I don't know. Shotgun really doesn't do it for me. Damn it. The hell? Sugi. Though I do actually flash hand. Left and left hand. If anything, I need to get it somehow more bright. There. Where is it? There. Say hello to my little friend! No, no, no. Oh frack. Oh frack, the bone worm, bone worm, bone worm! No, 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 no! This is incredibly difficult right now. And I have no idea how I survived this long! Oh frack! Sugi. Damn it! No, no, no! Yes! No! Fuck. Yeah. Let's take a look at my best run so far. 204 seconds. Now that was a good one. I don't really know how I did that one. I think mostly luck. But then again, luck's really what this game is in part about. Really fun. Also, as you can see, I'm supposedly looking like some sort of Energizer Bunny. Oh boy. Ah, yes. Strict elimination of all targets as quickly as possible. Hmm? Ah, yes. One of the best places actually you can be. Nice. I don't even... Has it been this long already that I did like good like this? Man. I mean, you can just see total focus. Never stopping shooting. Ah, we're almost at the end. I think it was a bug that got me that time. Ah yes, the bugs. Those creepy little effers. Yep. And that was the moment a bug got me. As you can see, it was even worse back then, because 70.5% accuracy. Yikes. Oh, I think globally I didn't actually do that bad. But well, what do I know? 16,000 seconds? 6,000 seconds is 100 minutes. So about a sixth of what? Oh, I need to jump. Wait. Oh, weird. Not that long actually. Did I die that often that early already? Well, okay, let's go for one more try. Okay. Yeah. Always fun to play, but damn if I ain't bad at it. In either case, this has been tonight's stream of Victory Assured. My name is Richard M. I thank you for watching this far. I hope you enjoyed both the music and a little bit of action and shooting we got at the end. In either case, for me it's almost half to midnight and I'm going to say goodbye for now. And I bid you good night. Till we see each other again on Sunday. We'll continue our long-standing No Man's Sky. In either case, good night, and until I see you again.